Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to save slides on Slideshare. I wonder why you want to know how to save slides on Slideshare. Maybe you want to save the slides for later, or maybe you know that you will not have internet in the few days, so you want to save the slides so that you could read them offline and can save your time. Maybe you're going on traveling, but you also want to study, so you want to save the slides so that you could read them later, or there could be any other reason for you to save slides on SlideShare. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can save slides on SlideShare. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the SlideShare app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the SlideShare app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have different kind of slides on our home screen based on what categories you have followed over the time. This is the home section, and other than home, we have two more sections, which is explore and view. So this one is an explore section where you could search for something specific and by category wise, and other than that we have other option which is you. Once you tap on it, you will get into your profile. There you could see your name and different stuff. There you could see this is an option which says save. So if you have saved anything over the time like slides, these will appear here. Right now it is empty because we don't have saved anything. Now we will get back to home, and there we will look for different things and then we will save it. So let's say this is a slide that I want to save. So here we have this option which says save. Once you tap on it, it will just load, and once the loading is done, this will be saved into our list and later on we can read it. Other than that, if you want to read the slides first and then want to save it, then you have to tap on it, and after once you open it, go through some of its slide, and if you find that slide relatable or maybe something helpful for you, so you can save it. There's option at the bottom of the page which says save. Once you tap onto that option, again it will start loading, and once the loading is done, this slide will be saved in your mobile phone app. Now later on, if you don't have internet, you could get access to it. Now we will go to you. Once we get to you on the save, you could see we have these slides that we just saved. Now you could open it by just simply tapping on it, and these will work offline. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can save slides on SlideShare. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.